welcome to the Boring Nature Show. Today we're going to be looking at poison ivy. This is poison ivy. You should never touch this if you want to live. It is extremely poisonous. Just a single touch can kill you. Delicious. Now, let's keep going this way and look at how water works. This sign is warning us of dangers. Never pay attention to these signs. They're just to make you do things that you're not meant to do. But really, you can drive a vehicle down here. It's fine. Now, if you can see, this is a river. It has got lots of minging things in. If you can see just there is a pair of scissors.
Oh my god, there is.
Now look at here. Can you see how the water has worn away the rock under the bridge? This is called erosion. Now, I'll see you next time on the Boring Nature channel.